just the two of us. Three's a crowd. No telltale cloud, no talk out loud. We stick together. We play our waiting game, 'cause you're there in the frame for our end game. The silent killer is our given name. Can't be seen, 'cause we're ahead of the game. As we float incognito, undetected, a particle plan precisely perfected. Such a perfect match, made in heaven. We're on the prowl, 24/7. No clue, no warning, no feel, no smell. Fuel from the flame of our toxic hell. With your blocked up chimneys and your blocked up flues, as you put yourself right there in dead man's shoes. When you seal up your house, you don't let us out. Keep our noxious evil within, not without. On our own with the essential elements of life, but together in your bloodstream, our damage is rife. With our bonded atoms of C and O, hand in hand link to land a body blow. Through our habitual affinity for red blood cells, no sound, no smell, no hell's bells, as we consummate our atrocious toxic trinity to send you off into another infinity. A hideous hijack of HGB by an atom of O and an atom of C, and GBH of gross bodily harm. No sweat, no problem, no sense of alarm. Lock us up inside and things will get worse. We need to get out, we need to disperse. It's abysmal, appalling, absolutely alarming how our lie low profile is so downright disarming. The final solution is one of oxygen deprivation, the point of no return for blood cell respiration. An aggressive molecule is how we're defined, but we can't help ourselves. We have no axe to grind. It's just our unavoidable combinability, a no-blame claim of diminished responsibility. So listen, if you wish to come to no harm. We'll only tell you once. Go get an alarm, 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 alarm.